Welcome to Oilfield Inside TV. Today's topic is MWD. What is MWD? MWD stands for measurement while drilling, and that's exactly what it is. The measurements help us determine the orientation of the drill bit, which lets us determine the position of the wellbore and steer the well. These measurements are actively taken while the well is being drilled. A physical measurement while drilling tool, MWD tool, is required. So, what is an MWD tool? The most common type of MWD is a magnetic tool. It relies on the measurements of the earth, magnetic and gravitational fields in order to determine the orientation of the bottom hole assembly. Much like you would use a compass to determine your bearing, the tool has three magnetic sensors oriented 90 degrees from each other. They are responsible for measuring the earth's magnetic field. We typically refer to these sensors as BX, BY and BZ, where the BZ sensor is a long hole sensor. In addition to the tool's magnetometers, we also three similar arranged accelerometer sensors. The accelerometer sensors are used to measure the Earth's gravity field, informing us of our orientation relative to the vertical or down. They also serve importantly as a reference for the magnetometers. Similarly, we refer to them as AX, AY and AZ, where AZ is a long hole sensor. There are other conversations. Regardless, they also lead to the same measurements. The magnetometer sensors and the accelerometer sensors are aligned to one another. These sensors make up the sensor package of the MWD tool. There is also a telemetry section in the tool responsible for transmitting the data from the tool to the surface. Mud-pulse telemetry is a common transmission mode where the data is encoded into the drilling fluid as a series of pressure pulses and decoded on the surface, very similar to the Morse code. There are also ways of transmitting the data from the tool to the surface, including electromagnetic telemetry and wire drill pipe, although these systems tend to have their limitations. In addition to the sensor package and telemetry sections, there is a power section in the tool to power the instrument. The power section is typically battery or turbine powered. Sources power as drilling fluid is pumped through the turbines in the tool. The tool is typically programmed to take a measurement referred to as survey on connections when mud flow stops and the pH is still. So generally, you can think of an MWD tool as a magnetic sensing tool with telemetry and power sections. But where is the MWD tool located while drilling? The tool is mounted in the bottom hole assembly or BHA of the drill string and is encased in a non-magnetic drill collar. Ideally, we want it as close to the bit as possible without causing measurements issues like magnetic interference and or damage to the tool as a result of the harsh drilling environment. An MWD tool mounted upwards of 60 feet or more from the bit is not uncommon, although this varies widely depending on drilling operation. Thanks for watching.